Alright, so we're gonna go by reduction here. So pretty simple. You're gonna want it to multiply this whole equation, this equation, to get the two y's or x's to the same point. So here we want plus 2x, here it's a minus y. How are we gonna get to minus 2y? We're gonna do times 2, times 2, times 2. That gives us 4x minus 2y is equal to 2. And let's put the other equation over here. 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. Then we're going to add these together. So plus, okay, these two cancel out because plus 2 plus minus 2 makes 0. And that's going to give you 7x is equal to minus 1. As you can see here. And then we're going to divide it by 7. Sorry, it is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. And we're going to divide it by 7. And so this cancels out here. X is equal to 1 on 7. Now that we got the first x, flip the page over. We're going to do the second part. So now we know that since x is equal to 1 on 7, now we're going to do the other part. So we just see 3x plus 2y, 2x minus y. So plus 2y. So we're rewriting the equation. Is equal to minus 1. And then 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we rewrote the equation, but now we're going to try to get the x's to the same point. So we have to do divide times 3, times 3, times 3. And then up here, times 2, times 2, times 2. That then gives us 6x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. Here that gives us 6x minus 3y is equal to 3. And now we're going to subtract these two because we want to get 0. So subtract these two. 6x minus 6x cancels out. 4 minus 3, that gives us 7y, because minus and minus is a plus. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. And then you're going to divide it by 7. Divided by 7, this cancels out. Y is equal to minus 5 on 7. So now that we have the x, 1 on 7, and the y, minus 5 on 7, we can replace them in both to check if the answer works. Okay, so 3, all right, x, so x is 1 on 7, 1 on 7, plus 2, y is minus 5 on 7, and if we put that in the calculator, is equal to, it should be equal to minus 1. So 3, 1 on 7, plus 2, minus 5 on 7. So we wrote that down on the calculator, is equal to minus 1, just like that one. Now we have to check it on the other one to make sure it's right. So we're gonna go 2, and then we're gonna use the x again. Sorry, 2, use the x again, which is 1 on 7. So we're just putting it in the different equation. Minus y, which is minus 5 on 7, is equal to, it should be equal to 1, as we see here, right there. And so we're going to write this in our calculator. Once again, 2, 1 on 7, minus 5 on 7. So we see it written down, and it should be equal to 1. It is equal to 1. And so we know that our answer, We know that our answer here is right. So y is equal to minus 5 on 7, x is equal to 1 on 7. 5-minute video, bro.